I think one of the biggest challenges was just coming from sort of a small town to a big city. The transition was sort of quite daunting, and like becoming independent in a big city, but I've felt like I've really settled in and it's been like an amazing experience.
I was quite a shy person when I came to university, but I'm now a student ambassador, so I'm doing lots of different things now, and I feel like I've got the confidence to do that because of my experiences at Edinburgh.
So coming to uni and being able to do my own kind of learning and the thing that works for me and choosing what kind of support I wanted was beneficial and like much better than school.
Everyone that you meet is in the same boat. Every first year, everyone coming to university for the first time, they're all having the same experiences as you. They're all trying to find their feet, they're all trying to see what works for them. And I think if you worry that you're the only one feeling that way, you just need to speak to other people and recognise that you're all trying to make friends, you're all trying to work out how to live on your own for the first time. So that would be my biggest advice, that you're not alone.
Flexibility is essentially in your first 2 years of university you can study 3 subjects, which is great because it gives you so much like choice in what you want to study. Personally, I applied to the university to do French and German, but I ended up studying French, German and linguistics in my first year and decided that German wasn't really for me, but linguistics really was, and it was something where my passion was I didn't know about before because it's not something I'd studied before. So I ended up changing my degree to French and linguistics, and it was the best decision I've ever made.
Because you never know where you're going to go. You might fail second year and change degree like I did. You don't know what's like in store for you, so there's no point in stressing out too much about what you're going to think 3 years down the line because nobody knows.
And I would say every opportunity you're given, take it. Like, I've got involved in so many opportunities. For example, I'm part of the Student Society Edinburgh Global Partnerships, and we essentially send volunteers all over the world each year. It's a student-run society and we send volunteers to lots of different countries, and it's amazing.
For me, Edinburgh allowed me to study on my university work while also developing other skills with different societies and groups of people, meeting lots of like-minded people in this really engaging city.